must know your perfect square first. It will help you to solve this effectively. Perfect square. Perfect squares are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, etc. Now, you must simplify individually because we can't simplify them because their surds are not the same. So now surd 20 is equals to, let's get the factors of 20 first. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, we have 10 and 20. Among the factors of 20, which one is the perfect square? The perfect square among the factors is 4. It is 4. So we have 4 times, what must we multiply by 4 to get 20? Is what is 5 among the factors. So we have surd 4 times surd 5. And at the end you have 2 surd 5. So take note of this. Now this one is surd 5 is okay. We go to surd 45. Then surd 45 is equals to, let's get the factors of 45. This is what? 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and what? 45. Now among the factors of 45, which one is the perfect square? The perfect square is what? 9, as you can see it here. So that means we have surd 9 times, what must you multiply 9 with to get 45? That number is 5. So you multiply also by surd 5. And this will give us root 9 will give us 3 surd 5. So we have simplified them individually. Let's bring them together. Meanwhile, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So we now have this for 20, which is what? 2 surd 5 minus surd 5 plus 3 surd 5. Now we can simplify all of them because their surds are the same. Surd 5, surd 5, surd 5. We can simplify them because they are the same.